Every Sunday night, I follow a 7-step maintenance beauty routine that not only prepares me for the week, but also eliminates me having to do all these little steps in my grooming routine. And the best part is because I've been doing this routine for years, I've eliminated all the bad steps and I've optimized it with the steps that I know they truly make you look better. I boiled it down to 7 easy steps that right now you can follow along as I take you through my maintenance routine. Number 1, you're gonna shower once a week. You are currently walking around with layers of dead skin on your body, and that dead skin is a breeding ground for bacteria which causes bad odor. Which is why every Sunday, I want you to remove the dead skin and really scrub down on 9 specific areas of your body. You should be doing this on a regular basis, every day, so don't be nasty. I'm saying this because I know most of you probably don't, and just let the soapy water rinse you off Monday through Saturday. So at least once a week, you want to follow this routine. You need whatever scrubber that you use, and grab whatever body wash is your favorite. I like using silicone scrubbers because they really help exfoliating the skin and lifting up that dead skin. And this is important because when you sweat, all that moisture that gets produced gets caught in between your dead skin, causing bacteria to produce. That bacteria then starts breaking down the proteins on your sweat, and that's why you stink middle of the day. So now, using my exfoliating scrub, I'm gonna scrub down the 9 areas scientifically proven that produce the most dead skin to really exfoliate all that out, which according to science are your forearms. Next will be your armpits, the back of your scalp, your upper chest, and your upper back, your inner elbows. This is one nobody thinks about. In between your fingers, the side of your groin, the back of your knees, and also the one no one does, your feet. Once you have all 9 of those, just rinse out like you normally would, and now you have a proper shower that's gonna prevent you from stinking. Look, it's not that hard. It's actually just learning how to do things properly, and that's what I'm gonna show you from here on out. The next 6 will only get better, making sure you look your best, you smell great, and you look more attractive. Number 2, you're gonna cover your entire body with oil. Now, quickly, I want you to look at these 2 pictures. On the left, you got Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson at 51 years old. On the right, you have Terry Crews at 55 years old. Both are roughly the same age, with incredible physiques, but notice how Terry's skin looks a bit better. Well, I discovered what he was doing, and I implemented it into my maintenance routine. I've seen incredible results since then, and I'm gonna show you exactly what he does and show you how you can do it as well. I want you to see this quick video I found of Terry Crews online. This is where I took the tip from.
I use Neutrogena oil all over my body because I don't want stretch marks. I've always seen where, big lifting guys get stretch marks, but I get oiled all the way up. I look like a nice slick machine. It's kind of wild.
You'll be all oiled up, bro. I was sold. As soon as he said that, I had to add it to my routine. So knowing this, you're gonna grab your body oil and you're gonna apply it to 5 key areas. Every man needs to apply to these areas because these are the areas that are more susceptible at developing stretch marks. So the brand of body oil that you use doesn't really matter. Just grab something with good reviews off Amazon. There's a lot of great ones. But the 5 areas are the back, the thighs, your abdomen, your biceps, and your shoulders. Number 3, activate the hair follicles on your face. When I was young, everyone would tell me that a beard would make a man more attractive. The problem with me is that nobody in my family had a full, thick beard, nor did I. I was 21, 22, and I still had no beard. And over the years, I began to craft what I consider the perfect beard growth routine. While creating this, I couldn't help but wonder, does a beard actually make that much of a difference? I've seen it in my personal life anecdotally, but we need to prove it scientifically. You already know, we only talk about fat. So we took a subscriber, and over the last 6 months, he's been following this exact same routine, and we got him to go from this to this. We already have a picture of him before with a patchy beard, and now after with a fuller beard because he experienced growth with this routine. Now to start, to grow facial hair to make you more attractive, you need some sort of stimulant. And the best thing that I've used over the years is a derma roller. It's scientifically backed. I've seen results in my face, and we also have seen results in our subscribers' face. It's easy. You grab your derma roller and you want to pass it alongside your face. You want to go one side upwards and then 1 times diagonal across your entire face, and then complement that with some sort of serum. So back in the day, I used to use minoxidil, and that works. It's great. However, it's not formulated for your face. So I had a ton of side effects, from itchiness, flaky, kind of uncomfortable. It wasn't until I found that you basically can do the same thing with natural products. So Copenhagen Grooming also has this thing called an activator serum. It works similar to minoxidil. As a matter of fact, in a study, it found that it was as effective, if not more effective, in certain areas for hair regrowth, but it's made completely natural from something called capilla longa, which means there is no side effect. So if you really want more impact on the women around you, that's your two-step system to start growing your beard. Use a derma roller and then use some sort of activator. If you want the natural approach that works, I want you to check out Copenhagen Grooming, because our subscriber that's been doing this for the last 6 months not only bought the kit and did it for 5 months, but look at the results he got. All natural, no side effects, but even better, he's also the winner of the $10,000 giveaway that we started 5 months ago, and I told you guys to start. I am running a $10,000 giveaway with you guys, my community, because I truly want to encourage you to grow a beard. I want to show you what can actually happen when you're a little disciplined. You take my advice and see how you drastically change your attractiveness. You need to start growing out a beard, and I want you to do it naturally with something that works. And Copenhagen Grooming has a 150-day money-back guarantee, which means if you see no beard growth, they'll give you your money back. There's nothing to lose. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below with a special discount code. 4, give your face a natural lasting glow. Now, I want to show you something. I'm going to show you with this trick how you can take your skin from looking like this to something like this in seconds. First, you're going to grab whatever moisturizer you use for your skin, and you're going to put about a coin-size amount into the palm of your hand. Once you have that, I want you to grab self-tanning drops. Again, you can get these on Amazon. It's not expensive. Just look for good reviews and mix it into your moisturizer. Then you're gonna rub that together in your hands, and depending on concentration, you should be left with a moisturizer that's the same color as your skin. You could just go out and get a tan naturally if you're in winter or it doesn't get sunny where you are, or even worse, if you just want to protect your skin. It's been proven that the sun's gonna damage your skin. This method works way better. Now, after that, you literally just apply it to your skin like you normally would, and you're essentially just hydrating your skin with a hydrating cream that's in the same color as your skin tone, which all that it's gonna do is it's gonna brighten your skin, which you can already tell, and make your skin have a natural glow that's gonna last you all week. By now, if you're following along, you have exfoliated your entire body, you have hydrated the skin on your entire body, and now have taken your dull looking skin to make it look bright and vibrant in seconds. And we're still not even done yet. I have 3 more maintenance steps I want you to do every Sunday to get you prepared for the week. And I promise you, by the time you get to the end, especially tip number 7, you're gonna get more attention from women than you ever have. 5, take care of your extremities. Your extremities are small areas in your body most men ignore, but I promise you women are noticing. So to keep it simple, I made a checklist of my extremities that I make sure I take care of every week. I'm gonna show you what they are because it's 4 key areas most of you miss, and then I'm gonna show you how to easily take care of them. The first one is your earwax. Now, to do this, I want you to grab a spray bottle and fill it up with soap and water. Then you can do this in the shower or outside the shower. You're gonna spray your ear with some of the soapy water, which is gonna force a lot of that earwax to come out, and then with a small towel you can wipe it off. What you don't want to do is use a Q-tip. These cotton swabs, all they do is push the earwax deeper into your ear and don't actually solve the issue. The second thing you're going to want to do is trim your nose hair. Most of you probably don't notice this or even see this, but you got to think about it. Women are usually shorter than you, so they're looking up at you. And the only thing that they're going to focus on are the little hairs that are sticking outside of your nose. Now, to take care of this, you have 3 options. You can get a nose trimmer. If you don't have a nose trimmer, buy small little scissors. They're cheap. You can do it with that. If you don't have small scissors, you can even use a straight razor. Third, you're going to want to take care of your nails. Now, the most efficient way to do this is right after the shower. So as soon as you step out the shower, the hot water will soften your nails, making it easier to trim your nails with your nail clipper and getting a cleaner cut. This takes me on to my 4th and final step, which are your toenails. You're gonna use the same process as your fingernails, but this one most men ignore because you never show off your toenails. But the moments that you do, like when you get intimate with a girl or you're at the beach, that's when women are gonna look at your feet because it's something that they usually don't see on a day-to-day basis. When yours look hygienic, you're gonna look good. Number 6, masculinize your face for the week. Most people understand that women are more attracted to masculine men. So what do most men do? They'll go to the gym to get as big as possible. This is a good thing, but what you don't realize is that you can instantly masculinize your appearance with just a few steps with your grooming process, which science has proven will make you more attractive to women. Now, to figure out what features to manipulate in your grooming routine, I was deep in research and I found a study that looked at how different features of your face affect women's perception of your attractiveness and masculinity. The way they did this is by having the women rank different pictures of participants' faces on not only attractiveness, but on the balance between masculinity and femininity. What the study found is that what drove masculinity the most were two specific features. You ready? Your eyebrows and your jawline. Women preferred men that had thicker eyebrows and a more prominent jawline. Both of these you can manipulate in your grooming routine. So, to increase the thickness of your eyebrows, it's simple. So just grab your Dover roller from Copenhagen Grooming and start rolling your eyebrows at least once a week. And then, to improve your jawline, you're gonna do the same thing I showed you. By you passing the derma roller on your jawline and using a serum and making your hair thicker, you're gonna increase the contrast between the darkness of your jawline and your natural skin tone color, which will make your jaw look more prominent. It's gonna stick out. Number 7, freshen up your haircut. Look, in this economy, no one out here has money to be going to the barbershop every 2 weeks. So just because that's the case doesn't mean you have to look busted. And you're gonna tackle the 2 areas that make your hair look the messiest. You're gonna need a mirror, a phone, and a trimmer. The first area is clearing the back of your neck. Usually when you haven't been to the barbershop in like 2 weeks, this will be grown out. It's gonna look busted. You're gonna grab your phone, open up the camera app, and now you have a double mirror. Enough where you can now see the back of your neck and help guide you as you trim your back. Now to do this, you're gonna start all the way at the base of your neck and do small, gentle strokes upwards until you get to your natural hairline. Be careful here, because there is a learning curve. If you go too fast, you're gonna end up chopping your hair. Don't blame it on me. Now the second area is right around your ears. Usually, this area is gonna start going real long where it's gonna start laying into your ear. This part's easy. You grab the corner of your trimmer and you're just gonna trim along that natural hairline just to clear the ear area. You do these two, you're gonna freshen up your haircut up until you see your barber the next time. You do these 7 steps every Sunday, bro. Your grooming routines day to day is gonna be easy and you're gonna be looking 10 times better.